rock. What are you doing? All right, let's back up a little bit. Well, this guy ain't moving no time soon. He got 2 ropes tied on. All right, let's get this live scope in the water to see if we can see any fish. Look at the shrimp that this guy gave me, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all. Gave me a crab, a couple crabs, and some shrimp. Look how big this is. I'm about to cut that in a bunch of little pieces. I don't know where he got that from. Good gosh. That's crazy. Oh, he went to a store and got this. I can tell the way he had this stuff is bagged up. I'm gonna cut it into a bunch of little pieces though. I want some catfish today, Lucas. That's what I want. I want some catfish. If I catch some decent ones, I'm gonna keep them actually. Oh, I got I got one. I got one. Not what I want. Not this kind of catfish. That's the little poop slinger right here. Chill, bro. Uh-oh. Oh, got something. Get over here, boy. Oh, it's a big drum. God. Let's go. Chill, bro. Chill, bro. Chill, bro. Chill, bro. Chill, bro. I'm gonna put you back. I don't want you. You're fun to catch, but I don't want you, bro. Chill. Let me open up my bell. Hope I got another one on. I got another one on. Oh, I think this one got off. They got this one. This one got off. Oh. Ooh, my drag is not even set. Oh, is that a sheephead? Oh, black drum. Another black drum. Let's go. I can't even get my second rod out. That dang on fish threw me off. I wasn't expecting to catch another one so fast. Oh crap, I got all tangled up. Come on. All right, here we go. Here we go. All right, we were putting on some cut bait. I just cut this shad. This is what we're gonna put on. This right here. I'm fishing for catfish. Ah. Dang. Look at this, y'all. Look at this. Something ate that shad. Something ate the bottom of his body. So I'm gonna just leave him like that. Some cut bait now, without me even having to cut it. I'm just gonna turn around and I'll spot lock. Dang, they took my bait off. God dang, bro. What the heck? Oh no, it's a bunch of dang on shrimp. Look, you see? This is exactly what those, that's what they pumping out of there. And the bait is gonna eat that. And my rod got caught all up on it. My bait got caught all up on it. Ugh. See, this is why every time I leave here, I go Clorox my whole entire boat, I strip it down and I wash it, because all that shrimp juice be all over my boat, and it'd be stinking. So I gotta clean it every time. So when I get home tonight, I'm gonna back it up in the driveway, get my little pump sprayer with my Clorox and water, pump it, spray it down, then I'll soap it all up, get it clean before I put it back in my garage. Let me grab it. Oh, I got some shad. I guarantee you I got some shad. I guarantee it. Oh man. Oh man. Oh no. Oh man. Oh. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Man, I'm not even gonna be able to pick this up. Watch, hold on, let me go on this side. Just so y'all can see this. Let me turn this camera so y'all can see. All right, I can keep that mini. That's all I need. Gosh, that was a lot of shad. I only kept about 10 out of that like 500 I had. Thanks for throwing the net for me. I knew it would be loaded, yeah, for sure. It was definitely loaded. Definitely loaded for sure. I was thinking about going to, let me see. I was thinking about going by the bridge, by the rocks, but that dang on current is pretty strong over there. Oh, dang. Big old red. I saw him on top of the water, dude. Yeah, I'm thinking about, I think I'm gonna go try to, let me go try to target some fish versus just sitting here and waiting. Let me go see if I can target some. Are there blues also? Yes, there are blues. What's up, therapy in session? What's up, man? Welcome back. I haven't seen you in a while. Oh. Get over here, boy. Oh, he's in my other line, y'all. Oh, you coming home, boy. Ooh, that's a blue. Get over here, boy. Get over here. No, spot lock. What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh my gosh. Oh, God. Hey, at least I still got him. At least I still got him. Hey, Kimberly, you were just talking about blues. Oh man, he was barely hooked too. What happened? I hit my dang on, I got too excited, I hit my pedal. I threw myself out of spot lock. And then I hit spot lock back again. All right. I got him. This is what I came for, y'all. Look at that. He's going on the stringer. Chill, boy. Is that better? Uh-oh. Got him. Oh, mother God. Y'all saw how big that thing was? And my drag was set. That was a catfish about that big, dude. I swear to God, I'm not even kidding. He broke my entire line. I had 25-pound test on here. He broke it off. I gotta get this rod out here, out of the, oh, this thing is definitely stuck. I got it in those rocks. Okay, look, I got it out now. I don't think anybody's gonna eat this. It's probably too big.